Korean Sam. Easy, real Korean.
와, 이 가수 매력있다. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 한국어쌤이에요. Hi guys, I'm Korean Sam. Just a moment ago, I showed you today's expression at the beginning of the video. Do you know what it means? Let me explain right away. The expression 매력있다 is an adjective we use to describe a person. We use it when someone's personality, vibe, or appearance is so outstanding that it really draws you in. Koreans usually use this expression when talking about a singer or actor they like. In English, 매력있다 can be translated as attractive or charming. The word 매력 means charm and 있다 means to have. You will see 있다 used in many expressions in Korean, so make sure you remember it. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, wow, they are so attractive? If so, you can say, 저 배우 매력있다. 저 가수 매력있다. 저 남자 매력있다. 저 여자 매력있다. 이 사람 매력있다. And if you're feeling extra confident today, look in the mirror and say, 나 정말 매력있다. 나 정말 매력있어. By the way, 저 means that or those. And 이 means this or these. And 배우 means actor. 가수 is singer. 남자 is man. 여자 is woman. And 사람 is person. And also, 나 means I. And 정말 means really. It adds emphasis. Okay, now what about the opposite of attractive? It's simple. You just replace 있다 with its opposite 없다, which means to not have. So 매력 없다 means not attractive. Remember, the opposite of 있다, which means to have, is 없다, which means to not have. So another expression is 매력 쩐다. It also means charming or attractive, but this one is a slang. Teenagers or people in their 20s use it a lot. You can think of it like saying so cool, stunning, or have riz in English. Okay, then let's practice with a short dialogue. Situation 1. 그 배우 어때요? 정말 매력 있어요. Situation 2. 그 사람 어때? 매력 없어. Situation 3. 저것 봐. 블랙핑크 제니야. 와, 진짜 매력 쩐다. Okay, this is all for today. Now, tell me honestly, was today's lesson 매력 있다 or 매력 없다? Let me know in the comments and write one sentence using 매력 있다 and one sentence with 매력 없다. I will read it. And I've organized the vocabulary from today's lesson in a free PDF worksheet below. Don't forget to download it and practice today's expressions. Your Korean will become more and more 매력 있다. See you next time. Bye. 감사합니다.